Hey YouTube, Chris back with another video, and today we're actually going to be doing a review or an unboxing of a new iPad product for me. Now it's been out since 2021 and kind of late to the game, but my computer died, so I decided to invest in one of these, be a little cheaper, and it's the Magic keyboard for the iPad. And there's already been a lot of videos obviously for this, and I got it for the 12-inch for these generations here. It works for, I guess. So looking forward to unboxing this and getting it ready for this. So let's go ahead, flip this up. What's really cool is now they come with this. Oh, hello. Okay, it's really hard to do it with one hand. This, do this. So how many of you that are watching this actually has or is currently using this keyboard? I've seen a lot of reviews, so I'm just curious on how good it is. And I'm actually going to be doing a challenge starting today, Wednesday the 12th. I'm going to be using this for, well, actually my computer's being sent out right now and being fixed, but I don't know how long they're going to be. But even when I get that back, my goal is to use this for the next 6 months straight, for everything that I possibly can. And I heard that there's certain limitations with the iPad, that some documents you can't download or use, so I'll try to figure that out. But yeah, my goal and challenge is to use this keyboard, this iPad here, as my daily computer, and we will see how that works. But anyway, so there's the lid. Here's the item. Okay, put this aside. Nothing else in the box. Okay. So what we'll do is close this up. Push that out to the side there. Bring this item over. All right. So let's see if we can do this. Okay. So out of the box, kind of looks like it's the same as the Smart Folio case. Gonna rip that. Rip it. Oh yeah, it's a silicone. Okay. Do that. So out of the box, seems hard. Good. Haven't seen too many reviews on it, but the little that I have, it looks like a good case. Oh, and I also found out that this little port there, let's see if I can focus. No? Oh, anyway, it's a USB-C, and your iPad can charge when it's connected in it. It's already getting marks. That's silicone. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice hinge. Interesting. Okay, and inside, get your design by Apple. Let's see. It's inside here. Cover your paperwork and stuff. Yeah. And no stickers. All right, that's fine. All right, so let's go ahead and put this aside. Take a look at this guy. Oh, nice. Okay, the buttons, nice and clicky. This also is nice and clicky. Kind of feels like the MacBook Air. Same feel, same sound, which is nice because I do a lot of typing. And the one case that I did try was the other keyboard that Apple came out with before this one, and I wasn't a huge fan of that one. So hopefully this one is a little better. Okay, so I have my iPad here. Let's go ahead and see how this works. So it should just connect. You should be able to bend it back. Cool. So it does that. Close it. So the case I was using is this leather one here by Andor. Nice case. There we go, Andor. Really nice case actually. So I'll be going back and forth with this since this you can't really use just as the iPad since it has the keyboard and it doesn't flip completely around like that, you know. So I'll be going back and forth. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's try to open this one-handed. Sorry about that. Okay, like this. That. Okay, like that. Cool. So let's see here. Oh, okay, cool. So the space bar opens this. Yeah. That was a shot with the iPhone. Yeah, it's really cool. Alright guys, well that was just a quick little unboxing. Again, I'm going to spend a day. I'm actually going to be traveling tomorrow. And so I'm going to test this out on the plane. And make another review on how I like it, what I've been able to do with it, a couple days. I heard there was a different gestures you can use, so interested in finding out those things. All right. Well, again, guys, thank you. And this was a review again for the Magic Keyboard. All right. Well, until the next video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment again if you use this and how useful you found it, and if you use both this and the MacBook laptops, and what you think. Do you think I can do everything? Tell me your experience, and in the next video we'll discuss some of the comments. All right guys, well thank you again. Until the next one, peace.